before marry my countrywoman. You know the dame way. You know for we go nyama. Countryman, countrywoman. Na time for blow na tori day. When I throw am, una catch am. Na yellow broadcast is na una man, senator, ikuna man de bamenda man, ade kankwe bakwere man, how una siam. We go now get tori na for the girl wey dey sing Mutumbu. In name na Roseline Layo. That girl wey dey sing Mem fast. Yes. Now for Côte d'Ivoire. I want to say more start the program with some information way it is some way because inside the program some kind of information in the way it go make some people them their heart just beat some way they say they don't chakara their heart. Una not forget so we go talk football too today for the program about Njita Palaba what happen in Njita Africa food don't give 5 years. But we'll continue with the Roseline Layo. Roseline Layo, Côte d'Ivoire artist, it is very popular too. He don't get Mbiok, people they know say we don't Mbiok. That means say na the thing where Roseline Layo be the way over Kaba, they do music and that. Ma people don't know be no say na Mbiok way Roseline Layo be get up. He don't born 1, 2, 3, I think number 4 Pekinese in a massa when a manager too. Dinga, he like Imasa so to go past place. Anytime they interview about Imasa, he ever talk and say if Imasa no be for a corner, you know, for reach this level for success, for music. So Roseline Layo don't born another Pekin. He don't born so small girl Pekin. If you wanna be know that song for Tabule Rochero, we be sing up. Oh, il est né le bébé. Oh, il ressemble à papa. So one go talk say he resemble na mami. The small girl Pekin, they fine, catch am. The thing, the Pekin will fine. Nothing that. Fine, younger Pekin, clean. We all can close the way Roseline Layo. You don't buy them for that Pekin. Money na fine, you know. I wait to say money no fine. That means say never enter problem for no say money it is very important. Countryman, the oratory, how we don't start for Côte d'Ivoire, most safe for Côte d'Ivoire. So small jaka where he write a BPC where they call it say Yannick. Yannick, if you get some accident, moto and then when we there for continue school normally. So he go like external student. They call it for France say candidat libre. Bamenda man, Ekona man, Bakuriman don't talk. Strong French say candidat libre. Okay, so Yannick now, when no be there, but he talk for heart say this, so he was so right because then for they not get that thing where they call us say probatoire, na probably the approbra de toi. They say no get how we be candidat libre. That means say he do for empty, you know, need for go say he do give my school this, na my school that. What you that Pekin do now? He go write that BPC. BPC no be na equivalent for GC ordinary level. Or people not begin make that mistake because BPC na 4 years, ordinary levels na 5 years. So the Pekin don't go right. He write time. Now that as external student, he pass. He get 194 points. Wonderful parabat. Where we get accident for Ben Skin, accident for Ben Skin for that side. So they be carry go for Rapita, a team we do before way the intensive treatment where they give you. And then they begin to come up for Rapita. I say come up for that day Monday where they ride. He go pam. He go shoot off for there. He begin ride the own. And then right and where the perica ride. That was a manga accident for Ben Skin. For Okada, he come out Rapita for go ride BPC. He write he pass place. He papa don't happy for ye. He papa be very, very glad. Hey, papa don't call God in name so he continue for call God in name say now God. All the things so now God. Countryman, now for Cameroon, Douala. Hey, about the Garabagadaba. People they work so wickedness there for their heart. People they work so they talk for their heart say I go Kwaraman. What happened for Bonaberry? Now last month it happened. Now we can't find the information now because the development no they continue. What happened for them I say some girl where he do it a shower work. A shower the day Bonabero no say plenty snack the day for day. He did it for your own the mini firm for Douala. When I get died, or rapidly the bomb fish day. When I get also Bali. Now Tiwe man know. Now they stock that. And then for some place you go for Boya for Molicus for that side for so we don't see and two for day. So they are shower the day for day for Bonaberi. They made a shower work. Now true say be illegal. But no na we for Georgia. They be do am. Now for governor and other people they want to do their work na them. Who will give just information for here. So someone come now, he can see one Ashawo, he tell that Ashawo say he want to do business with ye. They make price. They argue, they must say no problem. Now the man that take Ashawo, go enter inside room for auberge. They enter room for auberge. They say that man be not sleeping for that auberge room. So we don't planify all thing for Kora the Ashawo. He take that Ashawo whole neck, press him, tie him, Kora my Pidgin. So one time. I see Kora that girl. It chapum. They no see play where go so take her reach tomorrow. They is also find ye. They find ye. Child name office say they don't see ye. Now what happen? Est-ce que that man get problem with that Achawo? Ona because say he enter some sect, they tell me do it. Ona say no be get money or be under drugs. Ona say when they enter that room, the Achawo talks until we vex it. Man don't know what happen. Police they continue the investigation. If I say me they put hand for that man, we Ikwarada Achawo last month for that side for Bonaberi. Kuna another story. Some people in their way before they were, that means when they see some woman, we find them. They talk say, oh, if God give me the woman, if I talk for you, accept her. Oh, me na you go do so. Me na you go do so. Go to travel, go do so. I go make love. I go do so. Me na you go climb table. But that way the woman don't be for you. We don't say yes, I want to be with you. Yes, I love you, na grandma dad. For better and for worse. It come for your house. You delay the woman, you know the one touchy. Plenty man picking in this way. I don't tire me. I don't overwork today. I don't tire me. Woman always see you the ton. He want touch you small. Say I don't tire. Oh, let me know. Now wait. You know says I don't tire. No be worry me. He want do so. The woman them too now bloody pass for their vein. You know if you get woman for house, you look like calendar. Even calendar you go touch her sometime for look date. For how now wait till the date or the calendar don't tell. And it's the date fine. You wipe and small. So woman need say may you climb me table. This climbing table thing, that's where all man need them. Woman too, because somebody just that woman don't need them. No, the woman need them. One woman they say you know be say be woman for your eye. The thing you go make it some kind. If be say you know desire ye, it go be some kind way. So if you get a woman we don't marry them, countryman, please desire your woman, appreciate it. Talk say I like that clothes, I like this one. Kale, that kale we put I don't like that kale. The one is fine. So woman they don't talk something. Now I want to tell una now. That woman talk say now since 11 years today, he must never climb table. He must never do mommy with ye. 11 years. He say the thing he make her say me explode. Now what it happen? How it start before you marry someone? Now they be 11 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 years without claiming table. Papa, you just say the woman has stick. Try change your attitude. No touch it small, man. No say, if you are, when I understand the two of the talk, I'm not. That's all the thing day. You not find so. Woman not be stick. Woman. Now the Tory, what it happen? Now the two way we go for tell una now. The other Tory, it happen for that side for Abidjan. Abidjan. No be na Tory we man supposed to smile. Na Tory we man supposed to tie face, vex plenty. Because na the kind Tory them, they make us some kind of thing they go happen we not correct. Pidgin and day where they stay for some compound, so story building. Play for play day. Pidgin they don't enter for day. Any man they rain. Pidgin they don't go, they play there for day. For some quarter for Côte d'Ivoire, what they call us say Yupogon. They Pidgin them, they play. Some small Pidgin, where they 14 years, Now he be the only pikin for imami. I say the only pikin for imami. He play with his friend them. Now it is somebody kaki man, he come, he vex. Say now it's pikin they play, they make plenty noise so. He start begin whip them with that stick where they hold up for their hand, they call it same track. He start knock them with up. He knock Kevin, he on go boss. He knock that other one them, the pikin go knocky, he go be na some kind of thing where he turn some kind of thing. They pikin 4. Before they want make a legacy, they want carry go for a place. That pikin, he don't quarrel. He don't quarrel. And then apparently, the man way they talk say, na policeman, he didn't say no, na even word them. Na man way, he work a pretend say the police. You see people they are picking, they play. You enter with the stick way hold for hand, begin knock them with the stick. When I imagine how this kind of senseless and brutal person feel knock this small pikin was sick. So try to go knock na back neck for here. Na so that pikin don't quarrel. Now that intervention one come, pikin do already quarrel. That mommy as I tell una so for he own well done finish. He well done finish. He only pikin we get time for the universe. Now that way some fake policeman he make him the pikin he kick bucket. Country a day. Another story na parava two kwara people. So woman, a meet some man, they like themselves, they be together. As they be together, what happen? They can be sote chakara enter. Now this, the man don't leave the woman, he go he. He go now, he find different woman. He married that woman. So now marry man. But if he want to so Connie come climb table for mommy for a girl picky way they 4 years. The woman he tell say no, go with your woman and they find so the way I did. What I know wait to happen, wait to go happen for play where the thing go happen. Where it go provoke the man for the way it go provoke it for the way the provocation carries for the way it go for some high level. The man now last Monday, Friday night, sorry. For last Friday now we pass so. Now that he enter for Bilonge Quarterday. He see that woman. Knock door, the woman open a small door. He enter. He start wahala with the woman. Now Angel. Problem. He be already come ready. He hold knife. He use a knife. He chook Angel. He kwarai. Kill him. Chook and kill him. For before he own get pikin for 4 years. You want to na film na two-way pass for buy longer, be longer. Even I want call so that way. 4 years small pikin. They see how he chook him mommy kill him. And then that way the man he chook that mommy. He take knife to he start using for himself. He chook himself with him and then he himself he fall for down. Now neighbor can discover, you know, we don't quarrel. Neighbor can discover, say, that woman there for inside blood. As I tell una so, they don't go for 6 feet. What na jealousy? What na say with you? What na say what happen? Na say if I don't leave you, I don't go married. You not supposed to follow different man. If you follow different man, better. Now which kind of hard that? If you know there was some person, why the person not supposed to live his life? Now by force. Di palabandolo lamu ese njengelewa, no be by force. If you deal with person, fine. If you decide say no one be with the person, then allow the person for live his life. You take knife, saute, you go choke the person, you quarrel the person. For your pleasure, on a way to, I need to understand the thing. The one, it don't pass that way they call for France say, my entendement. Now so, some wicked and some barbaric people then they. We go enter now for Palava Ndamba. Ndamba Palava na chue como yesterday. Yesterday, what happened? Na say news come up for Shasha Money Time say Jeremy and Isorel with Injitab, they don't sanction me. They don't sanction me. Wonderful one. They sanction me how? They give 5 years for sanction. 5 years. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years sanction. For Sikaweti, Fecafoot, the ethics committee talk say, Njitab, if you go live for name for president for Fecafoot, for that side for African Nations Cup, we play for Cote d'Ivoire. If we come for play the district day, we no get authorization for come, and then he gets more problem with security for day. He put na name for president for Fecafoot, he write even communicate for talk about that matter. But when I don't forget say that time we they finish African Nations Cup, we talk one side that matter of Fecafoot. CAF Secretary General be write letter. If he talk for the letter say, now me I get right for do this. No be una get right for do that. So now so it be pass. But now the thing don't turn. Fecafoot don't hammer Njitab and his Secretary General. Njitab na 5 years Secretary General na 2 years. And then Njitab normally how they talk the matter supposed to pay how much? Njitab supposed to pay 10 million francs CFA for the sanction where the sanctioning karabam bam. Yes. Some people in the way they against, other one they for. So when they talk say law na law, whether you be legend or you be big footballer or you be big man, if na law, law knock you, it don't knock you. Now so they think they countryman, countrywoman.